we are going to talk about the icon of your website. I have an icon here in my downloads folder, this face. The shortcut of including it in my project is to copy, Ctrl C or Command C, depending on your system. And then I head over to WebStorm, click on the folder and paste. I have already done that. That is why you see the icon there. The other way of doing this is to locate your project folder in your system and paste it there. But one thing is important, it should be in the same directory as your HTML code. Normally, when we run our program, there is an icon there already, and that is WebStorm icon. So that is like the default icon when you don't specify any icon. However, naturally, when you go to websites, they all have their icons. If you go to Facebook, you see Facebook icon. If you go to Twitter, you see Twitter icon. If you go to other sites, you will see the icon. To specify the icon, I will use the link tag. Now, this should be one of the first times we are using this tag. And we are going to use it to specify what we want, where it is located, and the type of item we are trying to link up. We have the rel, or in this case, the relationship attribute. It describes what this link is all about. In this case, it's an icon. So it is pretty straightforward. You have other relationship attribute types. You can check them out. For this situation, we're going to use icon value. Then we have href. This simply specifies where the icon is located. Since it is in the same directory, all we need to do is just to specify the name. Then we have the type. Simply put, what type of item is this? This is an image icon, so I put this type. You don't need to bother too much on the history of this type or complexity. Just include this to make sure your icon is properly displayed. So we have the relationship, the link, and the type. When we view our website again, you can see now our icon is our friend's face. No more WebStorm's icon. That is how you specify the icon of a web page. In case you're creating a website and let's say it's for your company and you want to specify the company logo, that is where you put it. And all of this is located in the head tag. So we have metadata, links, title, all located in the head tag. There's a lot we can include in the head tag. But go try this out for yourself. Probably you can use a smiley face instead of an angry face.